This is your video for how to collect information for headstones that have multiple pieces of information for multiple people. So again, you're going to use the blue dot to know where you are. Then you're going to click on the dot that represents the headstone you're at. Here I'm taking a photo of the headstone. I'm going to say use photo. And then after that, I'm going to fill out the information for one person at this location. I usually start off with the person who's on the right side of the headstone. There's no real logic to that. So you want to say whether it's a standing headstone, you want to identify whether or not it's occupied, or if that person just has a birth date, that means it's reserved. Go through and fill out the rest of the information for the individual, filling in both their first name and their last name and any middle initial or name that they have, keeping track of the birth day, month, and year. Again, if they do not have a death date on there, you will leave that blank. Filling out any epitaph information that you see on there, any writing on the headstone, just go ahead and type in the text in the database. When it comes to religion, sometimes there will be icons on the headstone that will help you. If there are no icons and nothing to indicate, just leave it blank. Again, this one is reserved because there is no death date for that individual. All right, now I need to capture information for the second person on this headstone. So what you're going to do is you're going to edit the data set, and you're going to set down an additional point on top of this headstone. What you're going to do is you're going to use your finger and press on the screen, and it's going to drop a pin, and it's going to ask you if you want to collect a point here. And that's exactly what you want to do. Then you're going to take another picture and attach it to this point. So now this headstone has 2 points on top of it. A lot of the information for the headstone is going to be the same, except for you're going to have individual information in there for the person who's there. First name, last name, birthday, month, and year. Some headstones only have year, and that's fine. It's all you're going to fill out is the birth and the death year. Again, any epitaph information, any text on that headstone goes in there. The facing of it. And now for this particular one, I'm going to hit submit. And I have information now submitted for this headstone, and there are now 2 points on top of that headstone.